never know.
So I always get massages that are hard even though I'm so
Or pwede din by duo, lalabas. Ganon.
Iwalay ko muna yung ate balat.
Mapapanood tayo habang ginagawa natin yung food.
I think may live stream yun.
May screen doon sa labas.
Live stream.
For sure hindi tayo lalabas.
Hindi tayo lalabas.
Smirk na lang ako.
Pero may TV or screen sa labas.
Hihingi nga tayo ng apron.
So parang live streaming, ganon.
Mag-apron ka rap na
Apron lang.
Apron
lang.
Walang t-shirt,
Ako
apron
po.
lang.
Sana tapos na. 100K na yun.
Feeling ko ganon. Na we can see comments.
Pwede sa amin yung yung nabenta.
Or no?
100K, ibigay kay Kuya 30 lang.
Live streaming to that.
Look at that, your muscle, look. Ganun. I got this. Dito ko.
Akala ko pagpapahingahin mo.
I feel like it's gonna hurt.
At least,
Tapos ayos.
Dahil mo exposure.
Didiretso!
Akala ko sila Mex nga yung ano ngayon eh. Weekly task nila.
Hindi kasi business eh.
Oh,
So
business
definitely
man eh.
does din.
Bossy cup ng QC.
Restaurant.
Sabi ko, bossing.
Boss, ikap
Actually, yung pinileview tayo.
Ako din, na-feel ko na.
since when ka pa nag-restaurant?
Yung restaurant mismo, siguro mga 5 months pa lang.
Ano yan?
Pero
I hope it doesn't hurt.
May mga stalls na ako ng
Wow!
Ilang taon ka na ba?
23.
Oh my God! No way!
I feel bad.
What am I doing with my life?
Does it hurt?
23,
Does it hurt that I touched it? Ano na?
What am I
Kumaya takot na naman magka-same arm na tayo.
Yeah, man.
Ako ata lang ako.
Dapat 30%
I'm still strong.
Kayod nung
Potatoes.
Okay.
Sara, magbalat ka ng patatas.
Depende talaga yung pag-ibig ni Kuya eh.
Pwede kong mananalo yung togi talaga.
Importante talaga yung cost ng mga ingredients.
Ayan si
Pogi?
Mehan.
Ano yung ano?
Toge. Toge.
Pogi?
Toge.
Toge. Lumpiang toge.
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 Ano yung pogi? Ano pogi?
Lumpiang pogi.
Sa kantin.
And then it feels so good after. You get that, yeah?
Toge.
Wala lang. Pinakita ko
Galing
lang.
ng mga ideas nila sa tasks.
Connect
No?
lahat sa ano eh.
Sa us.
Atin.
Yeah.
Yun sa
Okay,
task.
papajudo mo din kami lahat. Baklo!
Oh my God!
Feeling ko, baka may ganon.
Naka-uniform tayo lahat.
Feeling ko.
Magalaban yung mga duo.
Praying
Mag-sparring.
mantis na siya.
Ralph versus Near.
Sorry. Ikaw na bahala.
Pagkaka-run tayo ng day for marketing.
Bagay kayo as a pair, marketing and ano.
Bagay kayo.
Bagay kayo
Period.
mag-asawa.
Period.
Gusto ko yung pagkakain ng pares, bigla magiging si Kia ako.
Ay, pa.
Para maganda yung concept
Kira.
to Paris.
Akira.
Bonjour, kamusta?
Bonjour.
Bonjour, bonjour.
Bonjour, bonjour.
Pare.
Pare.
Kamusta ba?
Pares.
Kanto na
Kala
naman.
mo talaga, you will never.
March
But
22.
Not today, y'all.
March.
Oo, wala naman akong mapili dyan. Kung ano mapipili, eh di yun yung gagawin natin ng strategy. Kung paano
Yes.
siya mabebenta.
Pero ako so far, chinek ko naman lahat. Okay naman.
Pero hindi pa final yung costing namin, di ba? Hindi.
Kami din.
Naman R&D lang ngayon eh. R&D.
Yeah.
Wala pa mga cost rating eh.
Depende
Yeah.
talaga sa price.
Mga plating.
Ng ano, ingredient.
Wala na
Decide
tayong
pa.
plating sa labas.
Wala na tayong...
Wala plating, plastic
Walang
na yan.
plating yan.
Plastic.
Plastic na.
Plastic na yan.
I mean,
Saan ba sinaserve yung pares?
wala yung mga ganun-ganon. Wala.
Plastic, pwede na yan.
Plastic cup?
No, kasi kung magplato pa kayo, the costing is gonna, yun.
Para easy
Yeah.
Sinabi ni Kuya specifically, kanto.
Kanto talaga siya.
Gedli vibes tayo, kaya natin
So,
yan.
masa talaga.
Nasa. CD talaga.
CD talaga yung market.
Kaya yan, uy. Madaming mga madaming bombero dyan.
Mali!
Iyong!
Look
Nabenta.
your veins.
Benta.
You're popping out now. Sorry.
29,000. 99,500 pesos.
Nakita lang naman ako sa gilid.
Eh, nakagaling ka lang dito.
Naka-duster ate.
Sana pala pag-duster ako niya, magtitinda. Para meron.
Hindi ka nabibigyan ng props kasi ang props ay para sa weekly task.
Tapos naka-rollers. Tapos pinalikin. Nakaganon. Dito yun eh. Ikaw ba yung Mika? Yung nandito?
Ano ginagawa niya nun, te?
Lalakad, tatawid ako.
Kapasok si Mika nun eh.
You know, I was thinking about it last night.
Magandang
And what we should have done was, even if you weren't in the scene,
Pero
you
nadaanan
were
kita dyan eh.
still acting as a student outside, like extras.
They usually
Para they
naglalakad
wouldn't
ka.
have counted it pag
Ako
we're down on the floor,
Top
ganun,
ka nung
ganon.
naglalakad ka dito.
Kaya confident ako din makikita. Kasi dito ako lagi. Oo. Eh, muli.
Ano?
Ganito ako.
Ang naisip ko naman,
Hindi dun sa labas.
hindi na ako-zoomed in.
Too close to the face.
No, like,
May profile
ganun lang.
Parang tayo na to. Parang tayo na talaga to.
Whale River is near at Dustin.
Bye-bye.
Ano yung final niya?
Tama.
Ano yung sa kanila, bro?
Potato. Tornado.
Tornado.
Get lotion.
Benta yun.
Get, or
At night market?
How do you make that though?
So,
You know, my cousin has a stall at the night market now.
really?
But how do you
So
make it
benta.
though? Yung potato na
Kailangan may machine.
Either
It's- there's a-
or you slice it lang din.
you slice it crisscross yung ganon.
No.
Ano ba?
Pabilog, parang discs.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
I think that'll be easier to disperse the
Para
isang
pwede
potato.
sa...
Pwede mas maliit yung stick nun. Pero kasi isang potato ang haba niyan.
Oo.
Yeah.
Ano yung mga options nyo?
Dynamite.
Steak.
steak.
Truffle pasta.
Yeah.
Wow.
Pasto.
Nice yung place. Lahat of food
Prosciutto
truck.
pizza.
Tapos
You were,
may food truck kami location. So we're gonna food truck.
Mashed potatoes, bangers and Bangers! Bangers, girl! Bangers!
Ika tabi ng Japa
You
dog.
got lotion.
And then
Sorry, bre.
Bangers
Bangers is the bomb.
So when we
Do you know bangers, Josh? Do you know bangers?
Yes.
that's fine.
Oh my gosh.
So
I
fun.
can
Have you been
relate
to the night market now?
I went recent. Yeah, I did went go. I went
Did you see the
recently.
sushi tacos?
No, not recently pala.
Sushi tacos. Did you see sushi tacos?
Ah, yun yung bago.
Just
Bakit naisip tacos?
the beaver tail.
Gagawin natin sa tao.
We have a night market kasi
Giniling saka
in
cheese.
Vancouver, in Canada, where
Yun na yun.
like they do it every
Like street
summer.
food.
Street food stalls, stores.
Ano ba yung street food ng Canada?
Pwede na.
It's actually all over from all over the world.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
We
Okay.
have so many different things. I was just telling him
But
that
they're
there's
so
like sushi
creative.
tacos now.
had sushi
tacos. That's so
old na.
No, not
Sushi?
the night market.
I had. When I
Yeah,
went to
like
the
it's
night
like
market.
the taco shell is dried up. It's
Seaweed.
seaweed. And then
Luma
there's
na yan,
salmon,
dude.
there's rice.
Naging cone na yan eh. May sushi ice
Not
cream.
sa night market nga.
Sa night market nga.
Hindi.
Sarap naman.
Nung nag-night market ako, ang uso at the time was,
Ano yung night market mo? Near River Rock?
yeah, yung mismong Richmond night market. Anyways, ang naabutan, the last one I went to was yung bubble tea, nasa ng baby, Chupon.
Yeah.
And they had salmon na, favorite ko dun yung manga. They put mango in, like, it's like slush, it's like bingsu.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's basically bingsu. Sarap.
Sarap
But
ng
it's
bing.
nice because it's like a whole,
Or
it's
takoyaki, have you
huge.
guys had the...
And it's like
the-
stores with like trendy clothes, whatever, hats,
everything.
accessories, and then food, and then there's games. It's so
Saya.
cool. It's our like summer. It's our summer thing.
Yun yung parang, yung donut ko dito, tayaki ko sa Japan. Every dessert I just
Takoyaki,
get that.
bro,
I got
so good.
well, mga 3-4 a day. Oh my God.
I
You
used
ever
to
had that
perform at night market
In
so
Canada,
much.
taiyaki?
No,
Oh, really?
taiyaki.
It's like,
Fish?
it's like a fish waffle.
Put Nutella.
Filled.
Ah, yeah,
So good.
taiyaki. That's what
That's
it's
what they
called.
call it
Yeah.
in Japan, yeah.
That was like my sister and her boyfriend and I would always go for a run. We get waffles. We go to a waffle house. So good. Oh, I'm craving food na.
Sige,
Think about
pag-usapan pa natin. Tapos rice yung ano
Pakagutom
natin,
pa
ma'am.
tayo.
Bro, sa Japan, yung Wagyu stick.
Oh,
Dude, it's one of the best Wagyus I've had. And it's in the street. Tapos sakto yung plate, yung season. And it's just white rice.
melt in your mouth.
It melts. Oh my God, it really does.
Listening to this.
Oh,
In Japan, we ate at sa ano. Listen. We ate one where they cook it in front of you.
Tepan?
Yeah, but it was so expensive, dude. But the Kobe was like, dude, it was, you can't even explain. Like, it really melts in your mouth.
Yeah. Kobe beef. Or yung mga sa street,
When
yung
we all
mga
get
crab
out of here,
legs.
can we please eat together?
Naka-plastic.
I would say. I'd love to.
Gusto ko sushi boat. Ha? Ikot lang na sushi tray dun sa ano.
You have to pick it up.
You don't like raw sushi?
Even salmon, sashimi.
But like spicy salmon roll, I can eat it. But like sashimi, like I really tried, but I like the texture.
But it's not for you.
And knowing the fact that it's raw, I don't like.
Calamansi.
No, walang problem sa taste. It's just the fact that it's raw.
It's a lot of protein.
What?
But there's actually more protein when you cook and bake the salmon.
Malamang, if you do the whole thing, yeah.
No, I mean like eat that.
But
alam
even
mo,
just as a snack,
a
because
slice,
you
a
don't-
slice of salmon.
You don't get full from raw sashimi.
Exactly.
So you just eat and you eat and
Exactly.
you eat and eat it. It's lots of protein.
But you don't get full. I want to get full.
Then you eat more. That's what works for me. I can't eat
So
my
unhealthy. Oh my god, I know someone who eats raw every day, breakfast, lunch, dinner.
protein. Okay, that's different. I don't do that. That's different.
Parasites.
Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
that's scary na.
Sa gutom natin, tayo na rin kumain ng
Si Liver
Liver Kings, yung Liver
Guys,
King.
crazy.
Kadiri.
Ginawa nila, what to
Canada.
Any sashimi,
You
put
have
the
to eat
lemon on
and
it.
you also have to eat something first.
First,
Yeah.
Pero ba ito?
para daw hindi natin kainin.
Chapsuy.
Ay, namiss ko na yung munggo.
Mung beans, hearty mung.
Mangbin.
Bang bin pala yun.
May English naman na. Ito nga ate, parang roasted eggplant.
Okay.
Dobong kangkong.
Puke-puke.
Kare-kare.
Puke.
Saan na yan? Ilocos yan.
Mali yung...
Parang iba yung pagkasabi mo, Asha. Kinabahan ako dun,
Puke-puke.
Puke-puke.
Puke-puke, mabilis. Puke-puke, please.
Ash! Mababuzzer ka talaga yan. Binataang alimango. Hindi ako makain ito. Adobong pusit. Hindi ko gusto.
Sarap!
Ito, masarap din.
Tunong
Panga!
Sa Boracay, sarap yun. Lapu-lapu, di ako mahilig.
Ako din, hindi ko Ito, masarap.
Kinilaw? Kinilaw ba yan?
Kinilaw.
Ano rin yan? Ilocano
Makain niyo
food.
kinilaw.
Masarap mo.
Mukha ano.
Tinola.
Yung lagi natin ulam eh. Kaya di na ako na ano.
Ito yung arroz caldo.
Ano to?
Parang Thai, no? Pero parang Bicol Express na chicken.
Curry.
Sarap ng Bicol Express.
Ano ba yan?
Nyog, tapos parang may turmeric yan. Kaya ganyan kulay. Ito, native
Pinikpikan.
Kanina po. Tama ka na dyan.
Pinikpikan na nakasulat to.
Pili ka, pinikpikan mo, puki-puki.
Masarap yung puke-puke. Kasi, I love talong.
Hindi bagay kaya siya magpigkas.
Chicken na sa... Ay, nako. Sarap lahat.
Chicken and pork.
Pwede kaya
Favorite ko
puti.
to.
Ayan.
Ito, yung ano.
Sitaw.
Pero gusto ko sa ganyan medyo may nagmamantikan, medyo may sabaw kasi masarap
Ako
sa kanin.
rin, si mama, adobong sitaw.
Ooh, burst pork.
Parang patatim na humba.
Parang humba. Na laman. Beef steak.
Kaldereta! Parang imposible magkaldereta dito.
Isang piece lang tayo.
That's my favorite
Mahal.
Same.
dish.
Kalderetang baka.
Kaldereta.
Ako din.
Imposible na magkaldereta.
Ma, miss you, ma.
Puki-puki.
Yun, kaya pa. Kaya.
Dessert.
Pero may tuyo pa tayong natira, di ba? Saan mo nilagay ating tuyo?
Sampurado.
Pero nawala yung amoy.
Ay, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko naman tinatanggal.
skills na.
Ayun nga yung itong sagot gulaman.
I-add nyo yan.
Inad namin. Sagot gulaman.
Oh, yan ang pinaka-okay na.
Para may
Kahit nga wala ng
dessert.
sagu eh.
Yung ano lang.
Carnival. Carnival lang. Tapos pandan. Yung masarap dyan.
Nag-request pa kayo sa Go?
Dalawa lang yung
Saan
kinano
nun?
namin eh.
Na.
Saan nakahanap sa Go? Di ba ginagawa pa yun?
Dave, ano lang yun? Papakuluan lang yun eh.
Saguhan, gulaman. Palengke.
Papakuluhan lang yung sago eh. Lalaki.
Love.
Pwede rin gulaman.
He was looking at this mirror.
What
And he
mirror?
was like,
Dude, you're making me
dude, he was like, dude, do you have those workout mirrors? And I was like, what's that? He's like, oh, we have one in Canada, the workout mirrors where it shows you the workout, you press the button, ganun, ganun. I was like, wow! Oh my gosh!
It's not mine. It's my sister's.
What's hers is yours. You are a family.
No, but it's pretty cool though. Like, as in like, you could do like any workout. Like HIIT, and you have a coach there. It's so cool. It's like a Peloton. But I mean,
Peloton. Bike lang tawag ko dun eh. Peloton yung bike, diba?
Peloton! Arugula.
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 Yeah.
Dinudurog niya yung lamig.
I'm really maart. Di like sa
Dinudurog
labas,
yung
I'm
lamig.
so maarte. I'm
Kaya.
picky. I'm like, ano.
Grabe.
That's why I'm like, I like it here kasi it really challenges you. Like, yeah, you have to adjust talaga.
I'm not picky.
Like about food, I don't eat fats. Like, I can't. I always get rid of it. And then certain fish na hindi ko kayang lansa. Yeah.
I can't take tuna.
Massage?
Oh, canned tuna is good. But like the sashimi tuna,
Pero salmon.
yes.
I love salmon sashimi.
Love it so much. And sea urchin.
Ooh.
Oh,
Very big fan.
no. I love watching those videos on the blue.
Like when we go to the beach, my stepdad and my brother, they just take sea
Yes,
Open it,
crack it open,
and then you just eat it.
You put the calamansi on it.
You guys like oysters?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We just said this. We had this conversation already. Where are you? Where are you?
Earth to
We
Michael.
already finished this conversation.
Oh, sorry guys, ha? Leave the house na lang.
What the heck?
Kasama ako sa'yo eh.
What the heck?
It's an
Where were
acquired
you?
taste, eh, no?
This is why
Oysters.
we talked about
It's
taste
yours?
of, yes. That's why we brought up taste of LA.
Oh, then I was here.
Yes, you were literally.
Where you go?
Michael, hello.
I don't like oysters, so that's all I wanted to say.
Baked, baked
I don't like oysters.
Even the baked one.
with cheese.
Only scallops, baked scallops.
Oh, those are
scallops are fire.
bomb.
Mussels,
Scallops are
but-
fire. I love shrimp.
Shrimp's my number one.
I love shrimp.
I feel like a coach na you got this. The Cajun one. How does that feel? Does it feel
Cajun,
good?
fish and chips. Because in fish and chips dito, they don't use cod. I think they use yung dory fish.
Oh, cream dory.
Cream dory.
Yeah. Exactly. Mas masarap kasi pag ano eh. Bro, ginagamit nila cod. Ang sarap. Tapos yung fries, yung talagang cut.
Uncut.
They only have one branch, no? Or do they made
Yung ka naman sa one
Sorry, I
batch
haven't
mo.
been. I
Ang
haven't
dami
been in
nilang
a while.
batch. Ang tagal na. May isa
haven't
sa
been there.
airport, meron sa New West, meron sa
Airport?
Richmond, meron sa Port Moody.
Airport domestic, not airport
Airport,
international.
airport. Like
Like
sa
the
Canada kasi
public.
dude, the airport sa labas. There's a food court sa labas, diba? Where the
Before you go inside.
yeah, but it's closed na before na yun. Or for last March, wala na siya.
All I remember
Renovation.
there's Japa Dog na.
Do you have the Nexus card?
What is that? That sounds
Ganun
so
talaga pag may
fancy.
pera. Ganun talaga
There's
pag
no,
may
you don't
pera.
need money to get a
Hoy!
Nexus card. You just apply.
Ganun talaga, may pera pa rin yun.
I don't even have. My family does. I'm just saying. No, it's like
Ano ba,
basically,
ano
dude, like
siya?
when
It's
you're
like
in
you
the
get to
airport.
skip the line. I don't
Yeah.
know, like-
It's
Parang fast pass for everything.
But in the airport. So halimbawa, immigration, safety, yung check. Yeah, it's good though. Like it's good. But to get it
sounds
lang,
expensive.
no, you don't pay for it. You just have to be a good citizen. And you have
It's
to
like,
pay. Well, you
it's
have
like,
to
it's
pay
like
a
your
month yearly,
paperwork.
but it's not like you have to be so like no. Like you apply for it, but you have to get it organized. But it's good. Like if you're a businessman and like you're always traveling often, it's sana nga meron ganun dito eh.
Nexus card.
Ako face card lang ako eh. Pag ano.
Face card ka, nakaka-skip na yan.
Oh, kasi yung TF mo.
Ayan na.
Hoy! Di talaga. Di
Oy!
talaga. There's one time, I went to Thailand.
Hirap pa na yan. Invite
I went to
easy.
Thailand last year.
Jesus.
I didn't want to go na talaga. It was a friend's trip sila Darren.
Okay.
And he was like, just go, I'll pay for your flight. Because ayoko talaga, because it was only gonna be a 2-day trip.
Oh,
Because we had taping for the movie, for Bad Boys, and I had 2 days off. And he was like, just come na, ganun. I was like, I really don't want to. So then he paid for the flight.
angas.
But it was a Tuesday night.
Go, Ryan.
So, Tuesday night, my flight was at 7 a.m.
You went straight.
That was the plan.
Oh.
Didn't make
I
it.
woke up at 5:30 a.m.
What time's the flight?
7.
7.
Kaya pa.
Kaya.
No, I made it. But I made it. My driver was waking me up. My driver was like, oh, tara. He drove me so fast, brought in my luggage, but I brought my luggage.
Buti
Went to the
nakapack
check-in
ka na.
counter. I wasn't able to. The girl was so mean. She was like, hindi na po kayo pwede. So I wasn't able to bring my
So use your face
check-in. But no, my face card was not working. And then it was not working. Smile on us ate, wala talaga. So I was like, okay, can I leave my luggage here with you while I run to immigration? Na kasi 6:30 yung...
Wait, why'd you leave your luggage?
Because I wasn't allowed to check it in na. Because diba there's
Sarado.
the
Cut
check-in
off,
in the
cut
server.
off, yeah.
Ayaw ni ate, ayaw niya talaga. So then I went outside. I went to the guards. My driver is driving back na. I went to the guards. And I was like, Kuya, can you please? So I left it there. Na, bahala na. And then I ran into the, I had to convince the guards. I had to convince so many different people. First time my face card didn't work.
So you got sent back home. You went home.
No, I made it. I made it to Thailand.
What about your luggage?
I didn't bring a luggage.
Pero nakuha ng driver.
I went to Thailand. Nakuha naman ng driver ko. I went to Thailand with my phone and my power bank. That's it.
Your passport.
No, because...
Kaya mo naman mag-travel na doon ka mag-shopping.
Yeah, passport.
Ba, binili mo bago Rimowa, bago...
Wow, wag kang yun talaga.
Sure.
Hindi talaga ako.
Michael.
Baka ikaw, ganon. Hindi. Ako yung mga nasa street lang, na 50 lang, ganon.
So fun.
Ay, sus! I found your dump, dude.
What are you talking about? What did I buy? I would never post if I bought a Rimowa like that. I have one.
For me, that's a pet peeve. Or like something I cringe at.
You.
Like yung people who flex.
Post their
Yeah, like,
I have one person in mind. Can you brain telepathy me right now?
Wait.
I have one person in mind who, the only time this person's stories, it's always,
Brands.
Grabe, bumili ako ng bagong ganito. Oh, grabe, segue ng work ko. Grabe, pagod na ako. Ganon.
I know. I follow her din eh.
Wala? You don't know? But you know.
I know.
Okay. So ako, I never did
But there's
anything
some
wrong.
people like that lang talaga. Who are very expressive about their lives.
No.
Could be, it is.
There's a difference between expressing your life and trying to show
Show
off.
off.
Yeah.
Do I know this person?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
We all do.
Or like yung pinapost yung cash. I find that so...
Oh! Did you see there was... Oh!
I saw that. I know exactly. Yeah, I know that.
I saw that story.
I was like, whoa.
No way. Did
Parang
you
at
see
this
that
point,
story?
i-post mo na yung passbook mo.
Did you see that story?
Ga. I don't know if we're talking about the same person. You wanna say the person?
I think we're saying the same person.
Cringe ako sa ganun.
Oo, sobra.
I mean, each to their own, but...
No, sorry.
So, sino yun?
Nomination!
Oh dear.
You know what I missed? TNT. Have you ever shop at
TNT Supermarket. Yeah.
When you
I
have
like
no
their
ulam, that's when you buy
pre-made food.
ulam.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like there's this one, it's like a squid parang roll na foamy siya. I'll explain it. Or pho. You know pho, ho?
I love it. There's fahim.
There's one near PNE specifically.
Ang layo ng PNE.
Dude, you're in New West. It's 5 minutes away.
No, it's not. Are
Yeah,
you okay?
yeah,
PNE? New West?
Dude, ang lapit. It's
5 minutes
that's
away?
one highway away.
Are you joking?
Dude, then you don't...
PNE?
Saan ka ba sa New West?
Queensboro.
Map ng Vancouver.
That's Vancouver.
Number yung 100.
Ako sisig, di ako kumakain ng toke, di ako kumakain ng toge.
Hindi ko manalo. Sure ako.
Siguro.
Toge talaga.
OMG, chicken skin na lang sana, no?
Mas simple pa, no?
With flavored.
What yun?
Flavored chicken skin.
Pabago natin.
Cheese.
Hindi ko naisip yun.
Yun na lang sana, baklo. Easy pa.
Ay, tapos pwede mo pang itopping.
Magkano lang yan? 10 pesos.
Kaso mahirap ilinis lang.
Okay lang.
Kasi baka may buhok.
Mahirap rin kasi pag sobrang mura, hindi tayo abot sa 30K.
Pro-bed.
Aabot tayo niyan. Maraming taong bibili niyan.
Siyempre, ikaw na yan eh. Si mahal yan eh.
Siyempre si mahal na yan.
Saan?
It's like last year.
Si last year.
Oh,
Ha?
maapektuhan pa tayo niyan.
Medyo malala yung 30K ha. Mukha lang siyang mura. Pero
Saka
madami
volume
yun.
talaga tayo, bro.
Kasi-
Volume talaga.
Double the price, y'all.
Volume talaga.
Malabo, medyo mahirap siya.
In 10 hours.
In 10 hours?
Volume. Volume talaga.
Volume talaga.
Gosh.
Volume and price.
Sana pwede tayong like maglabas-labas. Parang nakikita lang tayo, doon tayo lang magsaserve, pero doon lang sa cart. Hindi mismo doon sa...
Posible
Pwede yan.
Soundproof, parang hindi natin sila naririnig. Tapos naka-blind.
Parang ilang sa 300 na servings dapat magawa natin if yung price natin is 100.
So, 30,000.
300 servings.
Meron ba 100 price? 200 sa inyo? Sino yung naka...
Hindi, yung pares.
Pares. Kung presyo ng 100.
Pag overload.
Dapat
Overload
300.
100 with rice.
Sure ba yan? Di ba sobrang mahal
Di
yan?
ba mahal?
For a pares?
For overload, okay yun.
Okay na.
Yung normal.
May mga overload bulalunga, 80 pesos lang eh.
Eh,
Tapos sa atin
Part
pares.
style lang to, bro. Hindi to
Oo.
resto style. Ah.
paano tayo magkukota?
Oo
No?
nga, kanto.
Kanto nga siya.
Talaga. Parang talaga, diba?
25 nga lang and 60 yung ano eh.
25
Sa amin din, doon sa amin sa
Yun lang yun eh.
Ewood. Bakla yun sa Ewood. 50 lang yung overload, yung likod. Kaya feeling ko medyo mahal talaga siya.
Depende talaga sa cost.
Marami bang dumadaan dyan sa ano?
Mga ano. Fans.
Pero pumusi kotse. Wala
Pero
masyadong traffic.
feeling ko naman pag nilabas tayo dyan once sa makita.
Bawal talaga.
Hindi posible yun. Posible.
Hindi tayo pwede
Pwedeng
lumabas.
from screen lang tayo.
It would be easy for us.
No
Ayun ang mahirap talaga pag wala tayo doon.
Pero makikita natin yung labas. Makikita natin kung ano yung kanalagayan niya doon, yung mga tao na kumakain. Pero sa screen lang. Gets?
Feeling ko ganito. Prep. Tayo nagpe-prep. May magdadala doon.
Pero ibibigay sa magkaanak lang talaga.
Oh my God.
Tapos lang.
So, tapos, let's say manalo tayo ng 30,000. Yung 15K natin ng puhunan, babalik natin kay Kuya. Tapos yung 15K, don't tell me atin yung budget natin yun. Kuya,
Tsaka feeling ko hindi lang 30,000, like 45,000.
yeah!
Weekly budget na yun for the whole 2 months. We broke the game again. We broke the game again.
Pwede na yung mango float mo niyan.
Sana mango float yung nilaano ko. Ano yung second dish niya? Mango float. Sa ayot, sa gusto nyo. Dessert. Gusto niyo. Dessert, bakala. Mango float, 15 pesos lang. Ang sarap na. Janu,
Exercise ba
let's
kayo?
make use of our freezer, y'all.
Yun nga, yung ano natin kunin natin.
Hindi yung card talaga. Hindi designan.
For sure.
Libre na po.
Ang hirap mo.
Pintura.
Ano kaya mag-event?
Hindi pa sisikan.
Laki nun.
That's big.
Laki nun.
30K.
300 servings.
Yung time talaga, yung 10 hours. Di pa natin alam yung foot traffic sa labas.
Sana by lunch.
Para meals.
11 or 12 to 5.
Yung time din ng pag...
Kaya happy rin ako if toko at baboy yung mapili eh. Kasi medyo mataas na yung pricing.
Madali.
Dali.
Pinano ko yun kanina.
80 pesos for
Pero
tokot
kasi
baboy.
pricing
Diba?
yun, mahal.
Pricey.
75. 79 pala.
Sigo ba yun?
Ano yun?
With
Tokot
rice
baboy,
na yan?
ano ba
With rice, 89.
Ay, sige.
Dagdag 10.
Bawang sibuyas.
Bakla, one piece chicken na lang ako pag ganyan. O yan yung isipin na lang ng mga tao. Bakla, one piece chicken ko na lang
Ano
yan.
pricing yun?
89.
Hindi, 79.
Oh, with rice, one piece chicken magkano?
79.
Ay, ang one piece chicken is like 100.
Hindi, mahal na naman.
O bakit saan ko? Saan ko?
109.
Pero at least alam kong masarap na talaga, 100% sure. Doon pa ba ako sa experimental?
Di seryoso, mahal na ng mga pagkain yun. Mukha lang.
Yep.
Tumaas yung presyo.
Pero kasi, yung dapat hindi lang mawala sa isip natin, yung hindi dapat mawala sa isip natin,
Sikap of Mandaluyong.
kaya nga, yung dapat di mawala sa isip natin, nagilid siya, hindi siya
pang
yung
master, may restaurants.
commercialized, hindi siya ganon.
Sa wala sa pangalan.
Yes! Hello! Bahala kayo dyan.
Oh my God!
Pwede
Gilid
mabaan.
siya. Yes, oo nga.
Okay, fine. Let's make it 29.
Yes.
Tingnan natin kung
Saan hanapin ng tao?
Makukuha talaga yan, pero lugi tayo.
Hindi naman. Lugi lang tayo.
Pero okay, galing sa atin mga
At least nasarapan sila.
Sana marami na nanonood sa atin ngayon para
Para alam nilang na magbebenta tayo.
kailangan po namin ng 30k.
Pero ang bibili lamang nito ay mga senior citizen only.
Uy, yun na yun.
Twist. Wala na yung
Eh, good.
Gusto yung kumain.
Lugi!
Paano yan?
Tayo ubos.
Kaya nga pag nalaman na natin na hindi na tayo talaga bakla, iba ilagay na sa baba yun. Mga pares na hindi pa naluto.
Oo. Tago niyo na
Ibig-
yan.
Basta masarap, kayang presyuhan yan.
Yes.
Basta masarap.
Sila yung toge?
Sisig na yan.
Uy, ang sarap ng sisig.
Hindi namin na ano yung sisig.
Natanggal.
Pampangan
Natanggal.
Yes! Madali lang sa
Tatabunan kasi yung pares.
Ano ba sa inyo?
Okay yan. Hindi naman magre-reklamo yung mga...
tayo naman. Kulang na rin.
Ah, okay.
Madali ang sisig.
Uy, ang sarap ng sisig.
Mike,
Sisig sa inyo.
Ralph.
Mahal ang preference.
Yes, y'all. So, let's do
go,
sisig. Pero pag may sisig sa menu, sisig yung bibili.
Team Tex-Mex.
Ako rin. Kaso mahal nga lang.
Over pares.
Over Paris.
Pares so bad. Like,
Ko. Twice lang. Twice lang.
favorite ko yung pares. Oy, di ba sabihin mo? Di ba favorite ko?
Bicol Express sa akin.
Favorite ko yung pares. Like,
Bicol Express na lang sana.
Bicol.
Top silog na lang sana. Top silugan at parisan.
Pwede rin.
Top si pares. Top si pares, no? Itlog-itlogan. Bak silog, baklang silog. Fried chicken. Chicken ang bigas niya. Barbecue. Bulalo.
Kasi dapat yung ano tayo. Silog.
Diba?
Ilog. Oo nga, no? Yun.
Ngayon lang lumalabas yung mga
80, 100
suggestions
yan,
ko na mga magaganda. Top silog.
Pwede ba magbaguhin yun? Kaso final
Gusto mo kasi talunin yung classmate mo.
Kaya,
Gulat ako dun eh. Gulat.
yung pala reason nun, bro.
Yun yung plot twist, mga bakla.
Kaya pala,
Kasi nag-food fest kami, baklo. Natalo lang kami sa potato twirl. Bakla chicken yung amin, milk
kaya
tea.
nasa PBB ka na, ano masasabi mo sa mga classmates mo na yun? This is the
Hindi,
comeback.
eto, matatalo natin sila nito. Kumbaga, ang ganda kasi ng pagkapanalo nila, wala talaga nag-expect underdogs sila, you know?
Parang si
They are the dark horse of the season. Of our food fest sa school, baklo. Tsaka ano, ang gagaling nila mga lower section yung mga yun.
pero mayroon silang ano.
Meron silang ganun, kaya nga sabi ko, anong mahal? Parang hindi naman mahal yung ano nila.
Magkano kaya yun?
Mga ano lang yung bukla, 300, 200, promise. We can, ano that. If
Baka naman
we will.
kuya.
Bilhin natin.
Kuya kasi mas presentable yun, mas hindi bashable.
Tingnan nyo.
Wait, paano ba
Worth
kanakat
it?
yung potato na gano'n? May certain...
Talaga.
Kuya, give us the tablet. Let us just start. Hacks. Pearl hacks. How to manually make a potato twirl.
Hindi legit, mahirap kaya yun. Ginaganon-ganon yun eh. It's hard.
Paano ko
Pero
yun?
kasama yun naman si Dustin.
Yung ano? Cost. Paano bibigyan sa atin yung cost?
Sana yung cost nung ano, same lang sa mga palengke. Para,
Diba? Yung parang hindi pa ng pang weekly budget na cost.
para maano naman natin yung budget na 15,000.
Lamig.
Or dapat kasi wala nang ano, dapat wala nang
Second.
15K. Kahit 30K lang. Yung dapat maabot na sales. Ang hirap naman kasi nung may 15K na budget. Kasi mas sa labas, mas mura pag sobrang daming bibilin mong quantity.
Kaya nga eh.
Hindi mahirap eh, parang imposible.
Meron kayang ganun na task na pinapalabas?
May ganun task sila. Dati.
Alam mo ba sila?
2 teams nag-ano. Parang pag nagbebenta-benta sila.
Doon sa labas.
Food din yun. Ay, sila yung nagsaserve.
Ah, talaga? Hindi ba kami?
Pero hanggang stall lang sila. Bawal sila
Teka,
lalabas
Ah, sorry.
talaga.
At least may
You're
chance.
May ganun. Naalala ko, red and blue din kulay nun.
Hindi, dito ka lang.
Hindi, okay lang. Okay lang dito lang.
Hello?
Ako dito na, wala na.
Ate Corn, dito ka. So, ano yung naisip niyo food?
Lumpia toge.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Wait, nag-practice na
Kung
ako.
sino yung mami...
Hoy! Hoy!
Ay,
Ano yun?
Kung sino yung mapili ha, parang mas double effort sila.
Dapat hinayaan nyo na lang yun sa amin.
Wondered.
Para kami yung mag-twirl-twirl. Eng!
Parang sa lumpia. Tun, tun, tun.
Okay, we'll price that. We'll price it for 200 pesos galing dahil may laway ni AZ. Right? Laway ni River, that would be 300 pesos.
Diba?
Laway ni
Oh,
Will, that would be
yan.
like 400 pesos.
Laway ni Sneer. Laway ni Sneer, 15 pesos by one take one. Di na yung one take one. Sige na guys, bilhin nyo na.
Malinis yun ha.
Parang mas may lasa. Ano?
Nakailan ka na, AZ? Nakailan ka na?
Na ano?
Today.
Ay, wala pa. Hindi pa ako nag-ano. Kanino to? Peram.
Pero isang buong potato talaga yun.
Oo.
Ano?
Isang buong potato. Super thin. Pero sige, try natin.
Yun ang challenge.
Maraming galaw.
Para ano?
Pag, feeling ko pag tayo mag-really challenge sa pagkain. Ay, napaparas may nag... Wala, feeling ko may chance tayo manalo. No. No, please. Kasi paano yun mano-mano namin?
Ang hirap nun.
Ang hirap. Baka, sana naman. Yung mga tagti 300, no?
Bakla, pag walang ano, pag hindi presentable sa atin, lagyan natin ng potato fries.
Oo, pwede.
Dudurugi niya yan. Sprinklers. Add on sa flavor.
Right.
Anong sa inyo?
Yung potato twirl.
Potato tornado.
Pero hindi na siya potato twirl.
Saan nyo naman
na?
nakuha yung idea na potato tornado na apple?
Kasi tornado siya, tingnan eh.
Oh.
Right?
Pag ganun siya.
Pero hindi na siya ngayon ganyan. Kasi hindi kami bibigyan.
Dapat funny. Sneer. Witty.
This is defended. Sana nga kayo manalo para ma-times 2 yung effort nyo sa second dish. Sana kayo manalo, guys. Please.
Robbie Mets.
Please. Ano kayo manalo para O kayo, di ba may alam sa gift nyo? Sana di ba may, kayo,
Toge?
di ba may alam sa dish nyo?
Sino ba Toge?
Ate Clarice.
Bagay.
Yeah.
Don't you worry, guys.
Ah, kayo ang Toge?
Lagay mo kaya. naman sa amats mo, te. Mamaya ka sa akin, di ba?
Coffee ka na kasi.
Ay,
Ate tayo.
Ate, mamaya na tayo magtuos at ano. Baka.
Ate, pako ako ng coffee sa garden area. Yung
Anong coffee?
Cappuccino. Uy, bawal.
Ay,
Sabi mo naman agad.
nakalimutan ko yung pwede.
Kuha ako, Ate Bianca. Sige na, if you love me, get one mocha ice.
No.
Ano yung tira pa, Ash?
You want me to be
Yan, hindi
possible?
toyo.
So you don't love me?
Halo na natin.
No.
Hala. Paano mag-rap ng lumpiang kage?
Yung ano,
Hindi natin sabi mo.
Kani.
Kasi hindi naman machine yun.
Kayo
Bakit, Brent?
Pakita mo kay Brent kung paano ka
Ganito
mag-gano ng
mag-ganon.
lumpiang toge.
Quick,
1, 8, 5,
Cutter ka lang kasi.
Pwede naman natin.
Wala naman.
Tayo mapisa.
Wala na daw bibili.
Nilawayan ba?
Umilaway.
Hindi, mas maraming bibili. Papatungan natin ng TF ni Easy per day.
Pakita mo ang isip ko paano magbalot ng lumpia.
Okay. Lo. Teka.
Tinuruan ko.
Tinuruan na. Si Ate Clo talaga yung nagsasabi na ganun daw yung gawin. Diba, Ate Clo, ganun.
Tatlong araw na.
Nangyari?
Ikaw.
Uy,
Tulo naman nagaan.
Bakit?
Ano po yun? Is it the TF po?
Kayo ba? Wala.
Lumpia.
Tungkol sa lumpia. Ulitin mo.
Ano ulit kayo?
Para lang maano natin.
Laway-laway.
Anong pinag-uusapan niyo dyan?
Ayaw nila ng mga dugyot na topics, guys.
Kira, sorry.
Kuya, is that me?
Wait lang.
Wala, yan na naman si Bianca.
Hindi,
Housemate pagkain.
Ayun.
Ay, ako. Kuya, sorry.
Oo nga. Diba nabuzz na din ako dyan before?
Ay, really?
I've learned. I've grown. Grown? Grown?
Grew.
Patay ka, Bianca. Grabe ka talaga. Let us all clap for our DB Buzz.
Hi!
Sorry.
Ano yun?
Hindi ako.
Ikaw yun.
Ako nga.
Tigon yun din ako.
Okay lang yan.
Sobrang tamis.
First buzz.
Dagdag pa natin.
Ito ah.
Bruh.
Today?
You'll get used to it.
Today?
Baka maumalat lang.
Chetek lang nauna today. Diba?
Talaga? Hard.
Ay, hinaan natin yung apoy. Parang nakakaroon.
Sorry.
Ano kaya meron sa labas?
Meron.
Sandok.
Kuya ka mga ano.
Hindi, yung mas malalim. Ayun na lang yung pag...
Cook off number 1.
Saan labas?
Mga stall.
Ay, oo, to sabay tayo.
Sabay-sabay.
First.
But I should stop hanging out with the buzzable queen over here because
Try. Kasi mababuzz ka kahit wala ako. And I'm confident with that, girlie. Bianca daw. Uy, Bianca.
Ayoko na. Hindi na ako
Hindi na umimik.
I've changed.
Let's go. Di ba akin to? Bow, bow. Yes. Chippy. Never.
Bow, chicka, bow, wow. Yeah.
Mommy,
You know ano? You're busted.
Yes, favorite ko yan. Alam niyo yung ano, malapit.
Yung sacrifice natin for the next week, magluluto tayo. Nakaamoy natin yung mga...
Okay, wait lang. I have two kinds, the big one and the small.
Small one.
I mean like overnight size and
Small one.
okay.
AC, hawakan mo ngayong kasirola. Hawakan mo.
Wow!
Magkabilaan para.
May iwan dito. Ata.
Walang maghahawak sa door din.
Sa door din.
Parang masarap sa egg to, Char.
Kaya.
Parang masarap sa egg. Ay, sorry. Kaya nga eh.
Okay, hindi na ako talaga nakaka-crave niyan kasi ang dami ko nang kinain kanina, bakala. Nakita mo naman kung ilang rice ako kanina, bakala.
Kanya-kanya kuha na ba kayo or...
Sorry.
Dito.
Hugasan na lang. Hindi, pwede pa.
Ngayon, nalaman ko na yung puting. Unless you're the condo. I'm not part of the condo.
Ketchup and toyo rice.
Fire! I like the variation. Sorry. I like the variation. I like the experimentation.
Ganyan talaga pag wala nang
That's fire! Ketchup and toyo. Hey.
With a little bit of chicken.
Hey.
May isa pang ano.
Lagay mo na lahat dyan. Wala nang isa eh.
Di magkakasya lahat.
Sige, ay.
Oy, first munchkin ko to today, Baka naman.
Ano yung ketchup? Wait.
Ay, parang namimili ito ng ano ha. Namimili.
Aha.
Ala, namimili ha. Namimili ng pasahero.
Will. Guys, Will daw magdadasal.
Will. Will.
Namimilit to.
Kay Lord, pray lang.
Hey. Lord. Lord, thank you po sa panibagong araw na kami po ay healthy at masaya. Maraming salamat din po sa pagkain inihain nyo sa amin ngayong hapon. And gabayan niyo po kami sa buong araw na ito. Sana po ay maging ligtas ang lahat. Sana po ay maging masaya lang ang bahay na ito. And gabayan niyo po kami sa aming task na gagawin today. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
Amen.
Saan si Duo?
Thanks. Mestia, my partner.
Oh my God.
One bite. Ay, bakit ganyan?
Ang Hungry, hungry. Mo dyan?
Ito.
Chicken. Is it spicy?
No.
Chicken rice.
Chicken rice. Wow.
Bro.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Nagpikit pa ako ha.
Gusto mo sa'yo na to?
Pumipili,
Balik tayo.
Okay.
Ikaw, Charlie.
Yo, that's fire. Where's Ate Clara?
Ate Clara sila
Ito nga sa'yo, bro.
Meron lang ako dito ko chin ko eh.
Thank you, home.
Banana and jackpot sweet roll. Or lang yun to.
Oh, that looks good. There's chicken talaga.
Thanks, Paps.
Go, Paps. Rasha.
Charlie, oh. Ano mo naman sa
Sige,
Charlie?
tira lang.
Sige, Ate Clang.
Thank you, Ate Clara.
Thank you so much!
Have some cracklings.
Wow.
Bra, ang sarap ng broccoli.
Brother.
What? Some crack?
Ay, marami sa kamila.
What? Mamaya na ako. I'll skip lunch today.
Hindi ko talaga maiisip kung yung lasa nito. Champurado with tuyo. It's good.
Masarap. Cracklings.
I've been to a place where they mix it with the champ.
Yeah, wait.
Really?
Fire, right? Say it.
Sarap yung
Nice. Oh, di ka na last.
Fire.
Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
Harap.
Sarap. Lord.
Tapos di na naman uubusin ha. Yung tinatawag natin na soft lunch. Practice muna. Yung sama-sanan.
Ako baka next week baka save ko.
Ayoko nga mag-rice. Alam ko kumain hotdog.
Chicken. 1 gram.
Kailangan guys, next week magpapares naman tayo.
Paano pa sa cracklings?
Hindi na binenta yun, no?
Hindi na binenta.
Kira. Yes. Later na ako. So I had lots of rice a while ago.
Go lang, dami pang rice.
Kahapon.
Pwede ko kumakain, Kira.
I had lots kanina. Promise. Okay.
Nag-rice ka kanina?
Yes po. Yeah. Yummy.
What the chicken?
Mm-hmm.
Meron pang ano dito?
Ano ba?
First dish.
Not bad.
Hati ko na. Sabaw.
Pwede pa ba yan?
Parang tino lang sabaw.
Bakit parang may amoy na?
So, bawal na.
Akin nakamoyin ko.
Napigilan ko sarili ko na mag-rice. No. Tataba ko na. Last na.
This is my
Kira, how about you? You don't want?
Okay na ako.
Iba yan, ha? May rice, may chicken yan, Kira. May chicken yan. Kailangan mo kung dito.
Hindi ko kumain kanina.
Ha? Ay, kumain ako kanina.
Let me save you some.
Ha?
Tira ka ng iba. Para mamaya mo kainin.
Sige.
Gusto
mo ba? Kain ka na lang kayo. Wala.
Hindi ko kumain kanina morning.
I ate morning.
Ano?
Huh? Rice.
Gusto mo?
I had rice.
Meron ba ako?
Ito kasi may chimp yan.
May ano pa?
Ayan. Okay na yan.
Visit pa.
Thank you.
Hindi ka
No, he's
bigger than...
Wala lang, he's
masyadong
bigger than
nakakataba.
me. Yeah.
Walang dapat.
Baba ko lang calories.
Wala na to.